Oh my god.
Making my way through the darkness, a million eyes on me. I don't care, I don't care. Every breath that's taken is the last I may see. I don't care, I don't care. This is not for freedom. In 30 years you'll see. I don't care, I don't care. But you stand for what is noble, with your gun staring at me. I don't care, I don't care.
So where are we off to today? We're heading to Jenolan Caves, and it's freaking cold. It's 13 degrees and 9 o'clock in the morning, and suddenly it's gotten really foggy and cloudy and a little bit wet and a little bit cold. But anyway, we're going to push through that because this is going to be a nice ride. Why? Because, I don't know, it just is. Hitting Mount Victoria now, and oh my god, it's still cold. It's starting to warm up, but it's still freaking cold. I forgot the Blue Mountains are really cold. I think you're in trouble, dude. Don't look over the cliff. Don't look. Back home via Oberon. Oh, those brakes stink. Someone's been giving that Subaru a hard time. Goes this way. It goes that way. Oh my god.
What code is this in?
Standard. Oh, no, I don't even put it in A.
Yeah.
It's no point. Just, it's jittery enough as it is. Oh my god, the gears are up so high. Well, this is different. Well, Gary's let me have a ride of his XJR1300. It's got a few more cc's than mine, that's for sure. But inline 4-cylinder, carbureted, a very different feel, that's for sure. I can't remember what year model this is, I'll have to ask him, but definitely leaning over a lot more, that's for sure. Definitely not the upright I'm used to. We just had a burger at the Tin Shed. Lovely. It was really nice actually. The food was really good. People are really nice. Very accommodating for motorcyclists. Recommend that one definitely. I actually have no idea what gear I'm in. I think I'm in 4th. It's always nice to ride someone else's bike just to kind of give you some renewed perspective of your own bike. And I mean, I love my bike. This is nice and very cruisy, but man, I love my bike. I want it back. It's weird being a 5-speed. Sort of, I thought I was gonna expect to be wanting to grab another gear, but the 5th is quite obviously an overdrive, so it's really weird because it's a 4-cylinder, right? So you're feeling a lot more revs, and I guess I'm just used to my old FZ-06 where it was all gutless torque and then all the power in the top end. But this has a lot of torque, you know, more than you would expect in a 4-cylinder. But I mean, that's just purely because it's a 1300. You know, it's got heaps of cc's, but it gives you that weird sensation that you're accelerating very, very easily. I was singing this old bike, but then I looked down and 15,000 Ks on the clock. It's actually got half the Ks that mine does. I've already done like 32,000 Ks on my bike. Tell you what, I've been riding this for what, 15-20 minutes now. Oh, my back is freaking killing me. Such an old man. ugh, like it actually hurts. Just this leaning over position, and I know it's just because I'm not used to it, so I'm probably, you know, just not sitting right or something. I don't know, but oh my god. I do like that my bike sits a little more upright. There is no chance of having any fun through here this afternoon, I think. It's traffic. It is really smooth through the corner. Ugh. Unlike that gear change. Definitely had not anticipated traffic on this drive. But here we go. And I'm not on my bike. I just remembered when I had that completely unco moment. Oh, this is a very sucky way to finish the day. Now I reckon if you've spent a fair amount of time sitting on someone else's bike and you get back on your bike and you're in love with it even more, that's a sign that's a pretty damn good bike. That's what I reckon. I freaking love this bike. I mean, it's just so, getting back on it again was just so comfortable and just so easy. And I think, yeah, half of that is to do with the fact that it's my bike and I've been riding it for years and you know what it's like. But the other half, I think, is because of the bike. You know, the bike itself is just such an easy bike to control. Like it's just such a highly usable bike. Like it does everything. Anyway, today's been really nice. A long day. I'm exhausted, and but it's been a really, really nice ride. So anyway, I'm off. Stay safe, have fun. See you guys, bye. This is a 64 gig card, by the way, and I've got like minutes left on it. In fact, I think it just filled up.